personally, if I was creating something from scratch, I think I'd prefer a cloud-first approach, especially when a business is small. Just the management of it is so much easier. The ability to spin resources up and spin them down again, scale them out, scale them in based on demand. You can optimize your costs in certain ways, certain resources, and there's various different ways to develop certain architectures as well. I mean, in the SQL space, well, you've got VMs where you can host classic SQL Server. You've got Azure Managed Instance, which I think we'll talk a little bit about in a second. And you've also got Azure SQL DBs. And then you've got other
scraping the surface.
Yeah, I know. I mean, you've got things like MongoDB, Cosmos DB, Postgres.
I think that comes back to the point that you do need to do your research.
Yeah, of course you do.
Know you're making the right decisions, making the right technical choices, because once you get into a production environment when things are live and costing money, you need that project plan and that analysis and discovery and design phase to make sure that you optimize and you do get all those benefits that the cloud give. You hear a lot about companies that jump into what they think is potentially a small task ahead to move into these services and potentially make things more complex. They end up managing legacy stuff on premise, some stuff in the cloud, have challenges getting the two to communicate together. And again, Azure are making it really easy for these sorts of problems to have that into, a lot of hybrids, part on-prem, part cloud. The business I work for now is in that sort of migration phase.